Tires are the only thing that contact the ground surface, but they're also one of the things that are often overlooked on your automobile from a maintenance standpoint. The reason why tires are so important to your vehicle is they also affect the handling, the ride quality, the fuel mileage, and the braking distance of your vehicle. I'm Joe Hyde, Director of Automotive Technology for Christian Brothers Automotive. Let's talk cars. I'm often asked, how often do my tires need to be serviced? Usually you want to check your air pressure once a month. If you're driving long distances or over rough roads, construction areas, potholes, debris, then you're going to want to increase that to maybe twice per month. And as far as the alignment goes on the vehicle, you at least want to have that checked at least every year. Now that we've gone over air pressure, it's important to remember that your tires need to be rotated. And usually your tires are rotated every 5,000 to 7,000 miles. But always consult your owner's manual for specific information in regards to the vehicle that you own. What do I need to look for, or how do I know that my tires need to be serviced? And there's a lot of indicators that you can check yourself. Does the vehicle pull or drift when you are driving it? That could mean that you need an alignment. Do you feel a vibration in your seat or in the steering wheel as you're driving? That could indicate that your tires are out of balance. Another indication is the tread. The tread can tell you the story of the tire and what's going on with it. This tire has a nice even tread wear and it's in pretty good shape. The other thing you need to know is how much tread do I actually have left, or how much tire life is left in here. And a great little trick that I learned is called the quarter trick. If you take a quarter and you took it and you turn it upside down and you stick it in the middle of the tread, the top of Washington's head right here is about 4 30-seconds. So if I put that in the tread and I'm over Washington's head, I know I have more than 4 30-seconds. 2 30-seconds is known in the industry as discard, or that the tire is no longer usable. If you do use the quarter trick, keep in mind you'll want to take a measurement in 3 spots across the center of the tire so that you can make sure that you're checking the wear all the way across the tire surface and not in just one location. Another indicator that you can use at home is the tire wear indicator. It's this bar that runs across the whole entire length of the tire, but you can really see it well right here. If your tire tread gets to that point, it means it's time to replace this tire and install new ones. It's important to always have your tires inspected. And when you have your tires inspected, you want to make sure you have a service professional or someone that's trained to know what to look for so that the small problems don't become big problems. The service professionals at Christian Brothers Automotive are trained for all of your tire service needs. I'm Joe Hyde, and this has been another Car Talk Moment.